Welcome. Here we will explore how to connect HubSpot and update data using the Refresh Schedule feature. After logging in, navigate to the Connection screen and click on Add New. Select the appropriate connection, proceed next. Click on Connect. Then choose the appropriate account. Upon selecting the account, the connection will be immediately established. Continue and save the connection. Now navigate to the Collection screen and click on Add New. Select the connection and proceed next. Select the relevant object from the listed objects and continue next. The visualizer offers a convenient and centralized interface that allows you to seamlessly switch between different data objects. Once you've selected the desired object, you can apply various data filters, such as filter, sort, and limit. After configuring everything as per your preferences, simply click Save to add the collection. To set up a refresh schedule, first ensure that your Google Sheets connection is established. Navigate to the Connections screen, select Google Sheets, and authenticate using your Google account. Once the connection is successfully established, save the connection. Return to the Collection screen and click Refresh Schedule. In the pop-up, enter the Google Sheet URL and click Check Connection to verify access. Enter the sheet name and optionally enable email notifications for update alerts. Select your preferred sync method. Then set the schedule timing based on how frequently you want the updates. Once a schedule is set, updates run automatically. For example, I configured the collection at 5:55 p.m. with a 5-minute update interval. At 6 p.m., the sheet was updated with a new entry, completely hands-free, demonstrating the feature's efficiency. Thank you.